scrapping vet channel. Took us forever to find anything. Good tailgate now. Couple lawnmowers. I don't even know if you can see. Try it like that. Well, it took a while. I've been driving around for about an hour. I'll find some. That's one lawnmower. Got her. Dusty. Ooh, that one's heavy. That one's really heavy. The John Deere. I think is what it said. John Deere? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's really heavy, guys. Let's see. Oh man, that's real heavy. Alright, that's those two. Get that gutter. That's all I see. Let's see it. It's not bad. 2 TVs. Rare. Or 2 TVs. 2 lawnmowers. Alright guys. We got a couple things, guys. I think they're metal. Let's see. There's some puppies. Look at your puppies. Look at your puppies. Yeah, they're metal. Yeah, it's got metal on it. It's kind of helium, but it's still metal. Still metal. Got metal on it. Yep, that's metal. It's neat, isn't it? Wicker. Ew, it's got weird stuff in it. Still metal though. Even though it's got weird stuff in it. I don't see anything else. Yeah, that's all metal I see. People didn't even know it's metal, probably. Alright. Yeah. Kinda. Just thin, guys. Alright. Alright, guys. It's pretty thin. We'll check this little pile. Check this pile. Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't even know what an alternator. Sweet. A horn. Ooh, an alternator. That's breakage. Is that a horn? Oh, it sure is a horn. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's a better pile than I thought. It's got metal on it. Metal. I don't know what it is. Oh, there's some pipes. Metal pipes. Sticks. Metal sticks. There's more in there too. I wish I had a magnet. Damn, I don't have a magnet. I think that's cast. Those electrical boxes. Electrical box. Metal. Electrical box. Ball. Is that metal? No, that's plastic. 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 That's tools. Big old box of metal, little tools and stuff. Check the whole box. Oh, all kinds of tools in it. Look, metal, more metal, all kinds of metal. Alright, we'll just dump it in the truck. Sounds good. Whole thing. Bunch of tools and stuff. There we go. There you go. Right there. There we go. Oil wrench, drill bit, tap, solder, tag. We just replaced it on the truck. An alternator. Alright guys. That's trash. That's a good pile. I don't know what that horn thing is. See it? You guys see that horn? Look at that. What the hell is that? What is that? It's like a storm horn. See it? Huh. Looks aluminum. Alright guys. Alright guys. Here's something else. A TV. Oh, it's heavy. Them trash cans make you think life. That stinks like a woo, like something dead. Alright guys. Alright guys, we're gonna load it. Look, I told you it's thin. It's even thin here. That's all they have. Not very much. Not very much at all. We drove 2.5 hours. A bunch of TVs. Nope, don't come off. That's a real old lawnmower. That's all aluminum. No, I don't think the breakage is a little bit different. Oh well. Yeah, it sure is. Hey, it's cast. Yeah. It's about the same. Another one. Woo! That's a bunch of junk. Tools that we didn't need. Nah, we didn't need them. I didn't see anything with. Man, this is parts for my truck, guys. What the? That's the evap canister. That's for my truck. Ford F-150. Yeah, that's trash. That's alright. I don't need it. Woo! Pretty cool. Not much difference, guys. I think it's like 15 cents per calf. Or 12 cents per calf. Something like that. And then breakage. It's not very much difference, like 2 cents. So we'll make like 5 cents. That's how desperate he is. That's what they got today. It's that empty. Wow. I think that's it, guys. Alright, we'll do an end of video and see what we got. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. We got a tired little monkey here. It's up to $135 a ton. So it's a decent load. It's just real thin out there. If you guys didn't see that pile at the scrapyard, it's just thin. It starts cooling down some more, you know, later in the year. We might get some more piles, but it's just been thin for like 2 months, I think, something like that.